Friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made my easy DIY mermaid crown. These are all things that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, even this crown here, and it already had some bling on it, which is great. And I chose this crown because it had combs already in it, making it easier for it to stay on my head. So I picked up some clear rock type gem type things. What are these exactly? What do they call these? Glass gems, because I thought these would be cute stuck to the crown. I picked up a bag of assorted seashells and a bag of all of the same white seashells. I'm using my hot glue gun. I use Gorilla Glue to adhere all of my crafts as well as my wigs. That's the same glue that I use, and this is my glue gun right here that I use for absolutely everything. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. And from previous projects, I already had some miscellaneous bling things. So yeah, you just use whatever you have laying around to create this crown. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. And this is super easy, guys. You're just gonna start gluing everything to the crown. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is how my crown turned out. I just stuck on some little turquoise like stones that I had in a nail kit. Those are like nail art jewels, and I took some of that gold thread that they give you when you buy hair online. I just intertwined that in to give it some extra, well, just some extraness and some extra blingage going on to it, and stuck on some nail art rhinestones. So yeah, I think it's fit for a mermaid crown. I think it looks relatively nice. So yeah, this is it. But feel free to stick whatever you want on it. Adorn your crown however you see fit. It's Halloween. You're allowed to do whatever you want. For my look, this is also the wig that I use, and it's by Vanessa Brand, and it's called Lillian. And this is one of their whole lace, all hand tied Brazilian human hair blend units. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a look at what it really looks like. Ooh, and she's really pretty. I thought these colors would be great for a mermaid's look. So that is why I chose these colors. So pretty. Look at those colors. Then it goes down to like a deeper teal green here.